Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something truly amazing for you. We're about to create a DIY cleanser that not only rivals but actually beats those expensive brands out there. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Now I know what you're thinking, can a DIY cleanser really be as good as the fancy ones I see in stores? The answer is a resounding yes. The secret to an effective cleanser is not just a fancy packaging or brand name, it's in the ingredients and how they work with your skin. Let's get started on our DIY journey. For this recipe, we're going to use ingredients that are probably already sitting in your kitchen. That's right, no need to rush out to the store or break the bank. Our star ingredients will be raw honey, 30 grams. It's naturally antibacterial and super hydrating. Coconut oil, 20 grams. Great for removing makeup and adding moisture. Apple cider vinegar, 10 grams. Excellent for balancing your skin's pH. Tea tree oil, 2 drops. A brilliant anti-acne complement. Distilled water, 38 grams to bring it all together. And here is how you whip up this fantastic cleanser. In a bowl, start by mixing the raw honey and coconut oil. Raw honey is a natural humectant that keeps your skin hydrated, while coconut oil is fantastic for breaking down makeup and dirt. Next, add in the apple cider vinegar. This ingredient is key for restoring the natural pH balance of your skin, which can help control oil and breakout. Time for those 2 drops of tea tree oil. Known for its antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil is excellent for treating and preventing acne without being too harsh on the skin. Finally, mix in the distilled water to dilute the mixture and make it right consistency for a cleanser. Pour your concoction into a bottle. You can use a whole cleanser bottle or other pump bottle you have handy. To use, just shake the bottle to mix, apply a small amount to your face, massage gently and rinse off. And there you have it, a cleanser that's effective, natural and easy on your wallet. You're not just saving money, you're taking control of what goes on your skin. Plus, it's always fun to play chemist in your kitchen. For more exciting DIY recipes and professional tips on cosmetic formulation, don't forget to check out stablecosmeticformulas.com. They have a wealth of resources for all your DIY beauty needs. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. We love sharing these secrets and tips with you, and we've got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and remember, beauty doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the best products are the ones you create yourself. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep on crafting your natural beauty journey. Until next time, keep glowing naturally.